Yay math. Yay math. All right, good. Okay, we're back. Okay, so this question here says the height of the height after t seconds is h of t is equal to that. This is true for any type of equation you're ever going to get. Okay, if you notice in math class all the way through, you would have had quadratics like this that gives you the position of an object. Okay, part A says find the speed and velocity. All right, can somebody who wasn't here yesterday, and people that weren't here yesterday, I'm punishing you for this question. Can somebody tell me how to find the speed of something? What's speed going to be? Someone that wasn't here yesterday. If h of t is the position, what's the speed going to be? Someone that wasn't here yesterday. Go ahead. H prime t, very good. Okay. And someone else who wasn't here yesterday, h prime of t is equal to the speed. So can somebody please find the equation for h prime of t, please? That wasn't here yesterday.
H prime of t equals 1 gt
Yeah.
plus v9.
Okay, good. Who else wasn't here yesterday? Emily, I think you might be the last person, so you might be solving this question for me. What's acceleration going to be then? If h prime t is speed, what's acceleration going to be? Okay, h2 prime or h double prime. Okay. So I'm going to call that h double prime of t is equal to acceleration. All right, Matt, to get your confidence up, because I apologize for what happened last period. If this is your first derivative, Matt, what's the second derivative going to be? G. Just G. Okay. Okay, which is good. Okay, because they're good. So the acceleration due to gravity is your acceleration. That's level. Okay, so all is well. I hope whoever's supposed to focus this. So okay. Part B says an arrow is shot upward at 17.5 meters per second from a position in a tree 4 meters above the ground. If it says it's shot upward at 17.5, let's write it on the board in case you don't look at it. B says shot upwards from a distance, from a position. Okay, what information do we have for that? If it says shot 17.5 meters per second, go ahead. Yeah, so this is going to be V naught. This is going to be S naught. Okay. So what we're going to say is here, they want the equation for position. So what would h of t equal then, please? Someone other name me here. What's h of t going to be here, please? Someone other name me. Oh. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, where she got that from was just, we realized gravity's 9.81 technically, but if the calculus book wants to use 9.81, Michael, I'm not going to argue with them today. Initial velocity is V naught, which is 17.5. Excuse me, and S naught is your initial position. Yes, go ahead.
Your acceleration, it says it's like negative 9.
Thank you. I'm sorry, I got too excited there. And she probably said that and I didn't hear you. Okay. You didn't or you did? Did not. Okay, right. The negative is going to be going downwards. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Can someone please use the power of the first derivative? Rebecca, that's going to be you. Can you take the first derivative of this one, please? What do we got? And again, you can take it just from the derivative here. If you want to sub it into here, you can do that as well. Either one of those will work. Jeff, since we're sitting there so quietly, if you take the derivative of this for me, please. Great, and that's what will always be, right? Okay. Finally, it says, suppose that a flare is shot upwards. Oh, this is where we get to a little bit more fun here. Okay. Is this a difficult part? Or is this part? Okay, here we go. And please go to start beside this one because this is at t equals 2, the velocity is 10.4 meters per second. And height is 42.4. Find h of t, h prime of t, and h double prime of t. Okay, oh, I love this question. And that's why there's a start beside. And I apologize to Tyler. I told that Joe in my morning class how you had every single question start on the entire lesson yesterday. Okay, I didn't mention your name, but I said out of the 6 examples, 5 of them were started yesterday. That's how powerful yesterday's class was. Okay, so this one's a little bit more tricky. It says at t equals 2, the velocity is 10.4. Can somebody try and translate that into maths for me then? What does that mean? Amy, go ahead. Good. So h prime of t, h prime of 2, I'm going to call that. Okay, equals 10.4. Okay. Then it says its height is 42.4 meters. Can someone else tell me what that means, please? Yeah, go ahead. So what this question is turning into is a much easier version of my 3 equations, 3 unknowns. That's what it's turning into. Okay, so I'm going to start back to the original equation and go back to here. And I'm going to say h of t equals negative 4.9 t squared plus v naught of t plus s naught of t. And I got negative 4.9 because I did, what's that? Right here. You guys are right on top of things today. This is wonderful. Okay, good. Okay, so then I'm just going to sub in what I can here. So h of 2, so I'm going to do 42.4 equals 4.9 times 2 squared plus v naught times 2 plus s naught. So let's see what I did there, right? I'm just subbing in different values for t. I'm not really feeling, that was t, no, we're good. What's 4 times 4.9? 19.6, right? Negative 19.6. Plus 2v naught plus s naught. 62. Okay, so you see what we're doing here? We're ending up with 2 equations, so I know that's what this is going to turn into. Yeah, so I can do that one. It's 9.8. I got that one. I'm all over that one. Okay. Okay, so for the same thing, so for h prime of t, our derivative for this one was negative 9.8 t plus v naught. We're feeling good. Oh my goodness, sorry guys. This is going to be then 10.4 equals negative 9.8 times 2 plus v naught. So 10.4 equals negative, what was that, 19.6? Turns to 30.
Yeah.
So this is, the one on your test you will get is much more awesome than this question. Okay, because this is basically giving it to you. And once you get the setup right, like this just comes together, right? And then I go over here, then so back to this side, I'm going to say 62 equals 2 times 30 plus s naught. So s naught equals 2. But you just got to get yourself organized and line up in the right direction for these. And that's what you're going to find, I think, a lot in this unit is that the derivatives aren't hard. The derivatives for this was a piece of cake, right? It's just getting yourself organized for things. We're feeling sort of okay with what happened there once you got yourself organized? Yes? No? You look beat up. It's like you just sort of fight with the calculus textbook. Sorry. You don't. You look wonderful. Alright, other than that, you just give me angry looks right now. Is everyone else okay with sort of what's happening here, sort of? Yes? I know you want a microphone, okay? Everyone else, I'm nodding to me. Alright, next question here. So I got lots and lots. Maybe get like 10s today. Amy, don't answer that and say Mr. Savage is doing his attendance right now. Oh, you're supposed to say sorry.
No.
Am I recording this? I probably shouldn't record that.